How to fly DJI drone. In my case, it is Mini 3 Pro. In the beginning, to learn how to fly, try to find space that is quiet and safe. I also recommend to buy one of these. This is landing pad. Make sure that landing pad is attached correctly and wind won't blow it away. Now take out controller and mount the sticks. Now take out the drone and unfold arms. Also take off gimbal cover. Also check if battery in the drone is fully charged. To check battery in the drone, press this button once. Now place the drone in the middle of landing pad and turn on the controller. Wait until it boots up and now start the drone. To turn on controller or the drone, you need to press and hold power button for a few seconds. You need to wait a moment until drone will find GPS signal and save the home position. Now you have two options. You can start manually or automatically. To start automatically, you need to press and hold the button. To land, you can do this again. Press and hold the button. To do this manually, you first need to turn on motors by bringing sticks down and to side and move left stick up to fly. To land, move stick down and drone will land. If you have any questions, please write a comment. I hope that video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you again.